With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. What is an isothermal process? What are the essential conditions for such a process to take place? So analytically, that work done by 1 mole of an ideal gas during isothermal expansion from V1 to V2 is given by this. What is the change in internal energy of a gas which is compressed isothermally? So if we talk about the isothermal process, in an isothermal process, the temperature of the gas on which the isothermal process is going on should remain constant. Temperature remains constant throughout the process. And if we talk about the condition, right, so it remains in thermal equilibrium with the surrounding. So it should be, if I talk about the condition, so it should be carried slowly, right, so that it could remain in thermal equilibrium with the surrounding. So I will write the process speed should be slow. Process speed should be slow so that the gas always remain in thermal equilibrium with the surrounding. And the second condition, if I write about it should be carried out in a container fitted with piston, and the container should have conducting wall, right? If I talk about the container, it should be fitted with a piston, and it should be having conducting wall. It's obvious, like if I want it to be in thermal equilibrium with the surrounding, so it should be having conducting wall, right? So it should have conducting walls. So these are the condition. And if we talk about what happens if you see in the thermodynamic, first law of thermodynamics, you can see the whatever heat you give is used for change in internal energy and doing work. So here if you see the temperature is constant, so the change in internal energy is, it is F by 2, the degree of freedom by 2, and our delta T, which is 0. So whatever heat you will give, it will be used for doing work by the gas. So whatever you heat given is equals to work done by the gas, and this will be the case. And if you see the work done by the gas, if you see, we want this expression like work done by 1 mole of an ideal gas during isothermal expansion. So we know that in isothermal process the temperature remains constant and there is 1 mole only. So we can write down the PV is equals to this, right? And from here I can write down the P is equals to RT by V. And we know that P dV is equals to the small work done, it will be equals to RT by V dV, and by integrating it you will get the work done. So if you integrate it, you will get the work done is equals to, since if you see RT is constant, so I will put the limit on V, ln V. So this will be the work done if you put the limit, right? If you see here, this is the work done V initial. So if you see in the question, it is given that it is expanded from V1 to V2. So I will put the limit from V1 to V2. V1 to V2. So just put the limit and I will write the final expression as ln this. And this will be the work done and answer of this question. In isothermal process, work done by one mole of a gas in changing the volume from V1 to V2 will be this. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.